you explain to me what would you advise me to do if I have a client that, it has hit a bump, they hit a wall. We're gonna have to kill this deal. My client just doesn't feel comfortable moving forward. And we looked at seriously a ton of properties. So it's not like we didn't do our due diligence, but the buyer just didn't want to pull through with it. So what do you say to that client? Where do you go from there?
I have a coaching background. I spent the last several years while I was pursuing an MBA and then this other graduate degree, doing personal
at Harvard.
Yeah.
Just wanted to point that out.
Doing personal and business coaching that I call freedom coaching. And again, it's a holistic approach, like I approach practically everything. But really, where we start every time, no matter what the issue is, no matter who the person is what's underneath. What's the thing that you're not looking at? What's that thing in the core of you that is actually making this not okay right now? So you don't have to.
I love it.
You don't have to waste time with clients. And I think that if you have a client that is doing that with you, keeps pulling the plug and starting over, just stop and say, hey, I know you might feel compelled on your end to show them 25 more properties, but pause and say, hey, just with your best interest at heart here, I just want to ask what you think might be causing this pattern of something, coming back up over and over again. Because if we can figure out what that is, then we can save a lot of time in this process and get you honed in on exactly what you want, regardless of what that outcome is.